Welcome to Term 4, Week 1. This week we're going to draw inspiration from the Tinga Tinga Tales. Tinga Tinga Tales are about different animals in Africa and the problems they have and how they overcome the problems. You can choose any African animal that you want. You'll notice in the Tinga Tinga Tales sometimes they use Swahili words from Kenya. We're going to follow a directed drawing lesson. We're going to draw a lion, but you can choose how you colour your picture and what detail you add. You can colour your picture with anything you like, paint, pencil, whatever you've got. You only need paper and pencil and your colouring equipment. If you've got a camera or a phone, you can take a quick picture of it and you can send it to me. Today we're going to make a lion with pattern all around the mane, so you can use zigzag lines, jagged lines, round lines, any colours you like, traditional lion colours, or different colours like blues and greens. It looks really good with any colours that you use. Even rainbow colours look fantastic. Here's some photos that I took when I used to live in Kenya and teach there from 1999 to 2001. I didn't have a digital camera, so they're not all brilliant quality. Here are some Maasai men. These men speak Swahili, and in the Tinga Tinga Tales, they say lots of Swahili words. This is the Mara River. It's full of hippos. They're called kiboko. Here is the beautiful lioness called Simba. Here is a cheetah with its prey. Unfortunately, it's not looking at me. They're called Chewy. Here is an elephant with its calf. They're called Tembo. Here's the Mara River again, and this is the migration with wildebeest going across. It's hard to see. They're called Gnu. And here's me outside my tent on my first holiday in the Masai Mara. Now we're going to start drawing. Right, today you can draw any of the animals from the Tinga Tinga jungle. I think I'm going to draw the Tinga Tinga lion, so I've just got my paper, my texter, my pencil and eraser. I'm going to have my piece of paper going landscape, so you can have your piece of paper whichever way you would like. I'm going to draw mine in texter, but you can draw yours in pencil. And this is how I'm going to do it. So you can draw any animal that you want, but if you want to draw a lion, Tinga Tinga lion, this is how you do it. So in the centre of the page here, I'm going to draw the bridge of the nose, about 3 fingers wide. I'm going to draw a round curved line. Then down the middle, I'm going to join that up to make the nose. Then from the top of the triangle, I'm going to draw 2 straight lines to make the bridge of the nose. And I'm going to do a mouth coming out of the bottom. I'm going to do 2 eyes, one here and one here. Now you can do your eyes however you want. I'm keeping mine really simple. And then to make the main part of the face, I need to make these lines a bit longer. I don't want the eye to be squished. I'm going to take from this corner all the way around and down, back up to this corner and across. That's going to be his head. I'm going to do 2 ears for my king of the jungle. Now Tinga Tinga lion has a big round mane. So this is quite a long line, so you might want to do this in stages. So I'm going to draw a dot here at the top and a dot at the side, and I'm just going to join those dots up. A dot at the side, and I'll join those dots up. And I'm going to draw a dot at the bottom, and Tinga Tinga lion comes down like that. Now, Tinga Tinga lion has lots of circles going out from his mane, but I'm just going to section my mane off by drawing a few lines like this. And then I'm going to do some different patterns. So I think I might do some patterns either side of the ears. I think I'll just do some lines. I'll do thick lines and thin lines. Lots and lots of lines. And I'm going to colour these all in different shades. And then I think either side of the ears I might do a zigzag pattern. You can do any pattern that you would like to do. And then coming down the mane, I think I'm going to do some curved lines. It looks a bit like a flower. And then I might do some more curved lines here. And today I'm going to use texture to colour my Tinga Tinga lion. I think you might just need a few more patterns. You can do as many patterns as you want. You can do the Tinga Tinga lion with the 3 circles coming down the mane if you want to. And I might do some more triangles. And I think that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to colour this in different colours using my different textures. So you can colour yours in however you would like to do it. I've done one already in my sketch pad in lion colours. I've done greys and peaches and oranges. It depends what kind of colours you have got. So Tinga Tinga lion was kind of a bit blue, I think. So this lion, I might make him a little bit blue as well. First of all, I'm going to find a grey or a black for the nose. Here we go. It's like a bluey grey. I'm going to give him some spots. Then I'm going to add some whiskers. Whiskers. 3, 1, 2, 3. I think I will make this lion a bit blue. Colour some of the stripes in blue because that looks a bit like a Tinga Tinga lion. Now a lion in the African savannah is not going to be blue. So if you want to do a realistic coloured lion, you can look up what that would look like. Now if you don't have lots of different colours like me, you can just use the colours that you've got. I'm going to try and do all different bluey colours because I think that will make this lion quite interesting. Hope that you enjoyed the Tinga Tinga tail. Maybe we'll have a look at the one that's called How the Lion Got Its Roar, because that's a good one. I did the ant one because it was about working together and showing resilience. Now you don't have to colour the whole lion in. You can do any patterns that you want to do. You can colour its face in or you can leave it blank. It's really up to you. I've got super thick textures, but if you haven't got thick textures you might decide to use crayons or pencils. This actually takes quite a long time to colour if you add all the patterns. I'll keep colouring this one and come back. I think I'll just add the dots and the whiskers in black so that you can see them a bit better. You can add eyebrows, eyelashes, whatever you want to your picture. So that's what it looks like in all the cool colours. And then this is what it looks like in all the warm colours. So you can decide if you want zigzags, whatever lines you want. You could do a rainbow lion, you don't have to do a warm or a cool lion. I've given mine little pink cheeks and little pink ears. You could do a whole body and a tail, so you could do whatever you want with your lion. So I really like to see them because I know that they'll all be so different. So don't forget to send me a picture so I can still put it up, maybe in the newsletter, I think, because we'll all be back at school next week. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Take care, bye.